What's going on, guys? It's Mr. Lucky Moto here, and today we got ourselves a package from NBT Clothing. It's a riding hoodie that they got. I don't remember what the official name of it is, but we also got their license to ride pants, I believe is what they're called. And yeah, they're the ones with the Kevlar in the hips, in the knees, and it's got the hip pads, all that stuff. Kevlar in the butt. I'm going to be needing that to save my ass. But so anyways, I'm going to switch over to the POV, and we're going to go ahead and get started unboxing this. My knife won't open like the cool kids ones does. Anyways, go rip this sucker open.
What is this again?
So what this is, I'm glad you asked, young Padawan. This is This is a armored riding hoodie that's meant to look like casual gear, but protect you like most normal clothing would. What are you doing?
Reveal time.
But if you just rip the actual bag that it comes in.
Oops.
Here, let me open the bag real quick.
Good luck sorting this out.
But anyways, now we can move on to the next one. All right, this is the part that I'm the most excited about, because if you guys know me, you know that I complain about my jacket a lot. I complain about looking like a Power Ranger. I don't. Ooh, that's soft. I'm hoping this fits me, because their size chart told me that I was, or the little thing that on their website told me that I would be a large because of my body type.
Oh.
But I'm hoping that it'll fit me, because I usually fit like extra larges. So the riding hoodie, oh, it already comes with the armor pre-installed on like the pants. It's got armor in the shoulders. It's got a back protector in it, which my other jacket didn't even have a back protector in it. Huh? You can get it at nbtclothing.com.
Sorry, am I supposed to go more into character? Whoa, really? And where can I find this wonderful website?
Well, here, I'll put a link in my description. You can use my promo code, which I do not have.
So easy. I should probably go do that right now after I finally subscribe.
You should. You really should.
I'll do it when I finally subscribe to your channel.
Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and try all this gear on, just so I can get a first impression of it. And yeah, I will cut to that, and I will see you guys in a bit. All right, as you guys can see, I've got the NBT gear on. Unfortunately, the pants are a bit too big for me, so I'm gonna have to send these back and get a size that is the right size for me. So I'll be doing the review on the pants later once I get the right size. But as you guys can see, I'm looking pretty fly right now. I'm loving the look and feel of this gear. This hoodie is super comfortable already. It has the protection here on the back. And it's just super comfortable, and it looks casual. I look like a squid. I look like a motherfucking squid right now. I'll probably be going out in the next couple days riding with this gear and giving you guys my first thoughts. But until then, I'll see you guys later. Yeah, anyways, guys, I'm wearing that NBT hoodie now. I got it. I've been wanting it for so long. I finally bit the bullet and got one. I've been wanting it so long. Make sure the video is recording. So far, it feels really nice. I kind of just feel like I'm just riding without a gear. Hopefully we don't have to test this gear out ever. Tiny little wheelie. I have to keep my visor partially open because it's starting to get cold out. And so therefore it's going to start fogging up more, unfortunately. But, so, sorry if you guys get a little bit of wind noise. I literally feel like I'm wearing no gear, which is kind of the point of a hoodie like this. It's honestly, I don't know, I feel like I don't feel too much wind, but at the same time I'm feeling a lot of it. I'm wearing only a long sleeve shirt on underneath this, and so far I'm actually comfortable, but then again, I've only been out for like 5 minutes at this point. And this is a beautiful day for how it has been the past couple of days. As you guys saw in my last gear video, that it was fucking snowing. The day before, it was snowing. I couldn't go out and ride because I didn't want to risk there being any ice out. And it's just like, damn, bro, I kind of wish that we were back in the summer, which is funny because I've never been a summer guy. And that's kind of what I'm hoping this hoodie is going to be for me. It's going to be a jacket that's going to be kind of nice in the summer. I don't have to worry about not having protection on in the summer, which I mean, I ride with my jacket anyways, like my Alpine Stars one. But still, it's kind of like, I'd like something that's more casual and doesn't
make me look like a Power Ranger, and this does just that. I mean, I just feel like a casual rider. I feel like a squid. That's what I feel like. All I need to do now is just switch this bike out for a Gixxer and I'm good. Well, in all honesty, so far this hoodie's really comfortable. I don't feel the armor really anywhere. That was my biggest problem, because I never had a jacket with a back protector in it, and this one actually has one. And I'm surprised. It actually feels pretty good. It doesn't feel like it's pressing up against my back like the ones I've tried on in the store. I don't know, maybe I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but regardless of what it is, it's not bad. I like it. It is pretty freaking cold out. It's 43 degrees right now, which, comparing to how we were a couple weeks ago, we're in like the 60s and 70s still. So it's like, this is a huge jump from some of my last videos, but it's colder than a witch's tit out here. Funny, my fingers are starting to feel the cold more than my body is, which I guess is a good thing, really, because it means that this hoodie actually does pretty decently in the cold too. Alright, big gonna be slowing down here. It's gonna get warmed up right here. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm gonna slow down a little bit right here, because there has been little bits of construction going on recently. Oh, okay, this feels good. I feel free. The baby wheelie. Oh, is that water in the roadway? I'm gonna just be a little bit careful. Coming in. And apex out. Woo! Rip it a little bit. I also like this hoodie because it's a lot more visible than my black jacket. Because me, just these lighter colors in general are more visible than the others. That Evo's so nice. I say that every time I drive past it. It's a lot brighter than my black jacket, so it's a little bit easier to spot me, which I like that because I like being visible on the road, aka the bright green bike. And it's just like, I don't know, I like it. I like feeling free. I like feeling free, and I like people being able to see me. Jesus, take the wheel. Okay, never mind. I want it back. Sky gang. Subi gang. Where should I go? I have no idea where I should go. You know, fuck it. Let's go this way. Oh gosh, that road's a little wonky right there, if you couldn't tell. I kind of went a little upsies. I'm gonna get in this lane and go down this road. Oh, damn, that was a good pop right there. You guys hear that pop right there? It's not so good right there. Right there, right there, right there, right there, right there. It looks interesting. It seems like it should work. I don't know, I just haven't tried it yet. There's a cop right there. I'm in neutral. What the hell? Why am I in neutral? Well, there's another mall security car. Is there anybody in it? No, there's nobody in here. This must be where they park a lot of the mall security. Man, it sounds so rompy in here. Oh, what? This is blocked off? Are you kidding me? Bruh. Bruh. Well, we'll go over to another parking garage, see if we can get to the top there. We got like 3 parking garages here that we can go to. Fingers, they're cold. They're cold. Oh, those my brakes? No, those are those cars' brakes. Okay, I was like, that seemed really freaking loud for it to be my brakes all of a sudden. I don't know what they're doing. Is this the ramp to go up? No, it is not. This is the ramp to go up. Oh, hi there. See if I can get all the way to the top in this thing.
Actually, you go this way. This is the way you go to the top. You have to go all the way over here, and then you have to go like this. You go around this way, because otherwise you're going the wrong way. You're going the wrong way.
Go to the classic spot. Ooh. Give my bike a second to breathe. Oh my gosh. As you guys tell, this is why we like coming up here. Oh, fuck, it's cold out. Oh, look at this bike. It's dirty, but don't pay attention to that. This hoodie is nice though. It's like the second I like slow down a little bit, like below 20 miles an hour, this is actually very comfortable. And I'm actually really warm now. I'm actually gonna take my gloves off, like put my hands in my pocket or something. As you can see, my new TikTok, I'll link it down in the description. The gear looks so good. I love the way it looks. Love the way it feels. It just, all in all, just looks and sounds. What the? It looks and feels awesome. I love it.
Oh my gosh. Well, anyways, that's probably gonna do it for today's video. So thank you guys for watching, and please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you guys can see next time I upload, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.